I've created a bunch of ad campaigns for multiple companies using Holo AI ad generator. And in this video, my goal is to show you whether this tool is actually worth your time and money. So my goal is to show you both where it's good at and where it definitely needs some improvement. And we're going to start off by creating a campaign for a simple skincare product, but then we'll also move on to a more complicated product that is a thermal camera for bird watching to see if the AI nails that one as well. If at any point you feel like you want to try this tool, make sure to check the description because I have left a little discount code for you there as well. And without wasting any more time, let's actually get started. And although this is not a tutorial, I will briefly show you how easy it is to use Holo AI. As the first step, what you need to do is you need to create a brand in Holo AI. So you need to go to a website where you have a bunch of products that you want to promote using Holo AI. Then you head back to Holo AI and click on continue, and then just copy paste your link to the website here and click on continue. Then you select your language and then just specify your brand and what you're selling. Then the tool automatically grabs the colors of your website and the logo and the mission, and then just hit continue. And then the tool also grabs the products from the website. And if something's missing here, just add a link to one of the products over here and click on this magic button, and the AI will fetch the rest of the information for that product, and then just click on continue. And then all you need to do is press and hold. And the AI will take you to your dashboard where you can start creating these ads using AI. And if you actually want to learn how to use this tool, I have made a separate tutorial where I have left a link to in the description. But now, since this is not a tutorial, I will quickly just mention what you can do here and then we'll jump directly into the results. So first and foremost, you can go to the image section and you can create a bunch of different types of images. And here, for example, the content swipe type is the most common, so just click on that, then tell the AI what kind of an image you want to create, then the aspect ratio, the number of images, and then you hit create and you will see a bunch of images and you can swipe left if you don't like those and swipe right if you do. Then you also have these videos, so you can do a similar thing with videos, and here the most important features are the top two ones over here. And I will show you my results with these in just a second. But basically here you can choose one of your photos, for example this one, and click on continue and tell the AI to animate this image. Or you can also do the AI UGC, where you can describe your AI actor and give it something to say, choose the duration and aspect ratio, and then create an advertisement for your product with these instructions. Now let me jump into the results so I will actually show you what is possible. So let's start with the images. So here are some images that I created for Bloom.com. And as you can see from this website, you can see that these products look exactly like they do here in Holo AI. Now this picture is my favorite ad that I got from Holo AI since it allowed me to choose a template from a working advertisement from the field, and then it would allow me to create a bunch of these different types of images that follow the template. So here the idea is simple. So you have a slogan or some kind of a sentence over here, and then you point out three important things about this product over here. And remember, this was literally 1 or 2 clicks of a button to create. So since Holo AI fetched all the data from this website, it already knows ins and outs of this product, all the testimonials and everything. So you don't really need to even write any prompts. You can just say that you want a summer style advertisement for Bloom Meltdown product. And also one thing I really like about this product is that it allows you to create these variations. So if you have a good image you like, you can just click on variate to create different ads for different campaigns in this exact style. And that's exactly what you're seeing going on over here. So I changed the aspect ratio to a social media style ad and I got all these cool looking advertisements over here. Then you can also do basic editing. So if the image resolution is not good, you can enhance it with this upscale option. If you have something extra going on, you can use this erase button. And for example, you can click on here and here and here and here and here and click on confirm, and it will get rid of those droplets over there. Then let's move on to the videos. So from the previous picture, I was able to create this fantastic looking video. I mean, this one's just so cool. And once again, I did nothing but just select the photo and tell the AI to animate the photo. Then I also animated one more photo. So once again, the starting frame was like this. So I got a photo that looked like this, and then I told the AI to animate it in a summer style, and here's the video that I got. And once again, if you look at these products, they look exactly the same as we have here on the Bloom.com website, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me. I still can't wrap my head around how easy this was. And then last but not least, one of the more important features these days is this UGC style advertisements. So instead of making like a professional studio quality ad that looks like an ad from miles away, the idea is to create this creator style advertisement that looks like some random influencer is just filming at their home. That gives a very relatable and authentic and honest recommendation vibe instead of an advertisement vibe.
So I just wanted to give a quick update. This product has been a game changer for me, and I apply it every night before going to bed. It's super nourishing but still feels light, and my skin looks so calm in the morning. Highly recommend for a good night glow.
And now before we move on to our next example with a bit more complicated product, make sure to check the link in the description. You'll find a nice discount code to Holo AI, and you'll also find my complete tutorial on how to use this thing instead of just me showing these videos in a quick fashion that I did right here. Now, I also wanted to push Holo AI to see how well it deals with more complicated multivariate products, like for example this thermal camera. So I own this AGM Sidewinder, and this is used for bird watching. So this is good for spotting birds in the dark, and now I wanted to create an advertisement of this product that is, by the way, usually used for hunting, to be used as a bird watcher's prop to find birds during day and nighttime easier because of the thermal signals of the bird. And that is a much more complicated task, because first and foremost, most people don't use this for birding, so the AI has no data to look at, and also this is a more complex product. It has all these buttons and it has thermal sensors and everything. So I'm really interested to see how well Holo AI deals with a product like this and if we get anything usable out of it. So I basically did the exact same process I did earlier. So I just entered this website URL into Holo AI. They fetched all these characteristics and data. Then I just told the AI to change the description to be used as birdwatcher's prop instead of a hunting tool. Nonetheless, let me show you the results that I got, and let's start with the images. So I used the image creator feature I used earlier to create this photo, and it looks pretty decent, although the product does not look like the product over here in the website, but it still looks decent. This is kind of like how it shows when you're looking through one of these. So I don't hate it, but this environment looks entirely different. So it looks like it is zooming in on this lake, but instead here it's zooming in on some birds in the forest. And this is usually how birds are not looking like when they are sitting in an environment like this. So there are lots of uncanny features already present in this photo. Now the worst news is that is actually one of the best photos I got out of it, because this one is a bit weird because it is showing the thermal view on the opposite side of the camera, and also there's no lens cover. And then here, this one looks best by a quick look, but also the product looks entirely different than what it's actually like. And also this looks like a hunter, not like a bird watcher. That is also a bit problematic. And also the screen is not here. So this is a totally unusable photo. But wait until we get to the videos, because here is a UGC style ad video I created of this product.
Just got my hands on this AGM Sidewinder thermal camera, and I'm pretty amazed how well it spots birds, especially in the dark. What you're seeing here is a chickadee at about 20 yards. You can see it glowing even though the background is pitch. But to my surprise, it also works for daytime use just as well.
Okay, I would say that this is not even that bad. This looks like a very authentic and genuine recommendation, and that is pretty much exactly what I wanted. However, the product changes. As you can see here, it looks nothing like the original one. And then when we move on to the next shot, it doesn't even look like the one we see over here. So it changes all the way around in basically every single one of these scene changes. Once again, a totally unusable piece of advertisement. But now to cap it off, let me actually show you one more video that I created from those earlier images. So here it is. This is so unusable. So this crane turns into a butterfly, then this camera tilts on its own, and then it basically kind of sets a fire underneath the tree trunk we have over here, and then there's even a person appearing in the smoke. I don't know what kind of a bird watcher's nightmare this would be, but this is totally unusable, needless to mention. So clearly, when you're using a bit more complicated product with less data on it, Holo AI is no longer the best bet. And if you find a use case like that, I actually recommend using Arc Ads AI instead. So let me show you. I created this exact UGC video that you see over here, but this time I created it using with this Arc Ads AI UGC ad generator. So here is the result.
Hey folks, just got my hands on this new thermal camera and I had to show it off. Look at this little thing. Fits right in the palm of my hand, weighs almost nothing, and the buttons are right where your fingers want them. I was out here at sunrise and it picked up a flock of finches that I would have totally missed in the shadows.
Now, as you can see, this takes it to a completely different level. It looks like an authentic, genuine product recommendation from a fellow birdwatcher, and also the lens looks exactly what it looks like when you're using a product like this in the field, and the bird looks exactly like it looks through the lens, and also the situation and everything here is just like a genuine recommendation, authentic, honest vibe. And that is exactly what I want from a UGC style advertisement. Unlike here in Holo AI, where the product morphs into something else and where it's not that realistic. If you want to try to create advertisements with a bit more complicated product, I actually recommend using Arc Ads AI, and I have made a separate video showcasing the full potential of this tool, and you can find a link to that in the description, so I don't want to make this super long or complicated. Nonetheless, that doesn't sway me away from acknowledging the fact that Holo AI is a wonderful tool for creating ads for a bit simpler products. For example, skincare products is a perfect example of this. So there are lots of images, lots of videos, lots of data about skincare products, lots of templates on those as well. So that helps you, and that helps the AI to create more accurate and more realistic results that look like actual advertisements. So I still definitely recommend giving it a shot. And also, if you don't get good results, then you can use Arc Ads AI. But now, thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.